Did you know that the moon holds a secret connected to fiery explosions billions of years ago? And this secret is encased in tiny glass beads scattered across its surface. What could these mysterious beads tell us about the moon and even our Earth? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see the moon's wild past in a completely new light. Welcome to Science Spark. Today, we dive into one of the moon's most fascinating mysteries: the tiny, colorful glass beads that litter its surface. These aren't just random pieces of trivia. They hold clues about our solar system's chaotic history, and even your own existence. First, let's picture this. Around 3 to 4 billion years ago, the moon wasn't the serene gray rock we see in the night sky today. It was a molten, fiery world filled with volcanic activity. Eruptions were so intense, they shot streams of lava and rock into space. As the lava cooled mid-flight, it froze into glassy beads and rained back down across the lunar surface. But here's where things get even cooler. No pun intended. These glass beads aren't all the same. Scientists found that they vary in color, composition, and size, depending on where they're found on the moon. This variety tells us that the moon likely had a more dynamic geological history than we ever imagined. Now, what's inside these beads is even more surprising. Using high-tech analysis, researchers have discovered traces of water locked inside. Wait, water on the moon? That's right. These lunar beads contain minuscule amounts of water that likely originated from the moon's own mantle, or possibly the solar wind interacting with lunar material. The discovery was groundbreaking because it suggests that the moon might still be hiding reservoirs of water deep underground. And water, as we all know, could someday enable human colonies on the moon. Could you imagine sipping your afternoon tea brewed with water sourced from lunar volcanic beads? But the story doesn't end there. These beads also act like natural time capsules. By analyzing them, scientists can unlock a timeline of volcanic eruptions that shows how the moon was still geologically active billions of years ago. This information offers valuable insights into the evolution of other rocky bodies, including Earth. Now let's talk about colors. The beads' vivid hues, they range from green to orange and even black, aren't just pretty to look at. They tell us about the chemical composition present at the time of their formation. For example, green and orange beads are rich in magnesium and iron, which might give us hints about the moon's core and mantle. Meanwhile, the rare black beads are thought to contain exotic compounds brought by asteroid impacts. So, why should you care about tiny glass beads on the moon? Here's the bigger picture. These beads can solve questions not just about the moon, but our entire solar system. For instance, they can help us understand how water might have arrived on Earth. Was it delivered by comets, or did it come locked inside our planet's initial building blocks, just like these beads? And finally, here's the kicker. If we can extract water from these beads and analyze their compositions further, this could serve as a blueprint for mining other celestial bodies. Think about asteroid mining or even Mars colonization. What starts with humble glass beads on our moon might ultimately guide us to interplanetary resource harvesting, turning science fiction into science fact. So next time you gaze at the moon, just think about what's hiding up there in those tiny volcanic glasses. They're not just specks of dust. They're fragments of the moon's fiery past and keys to humanity's spacefaring future. This outstanding video was crafted by VidWiz. Want your own exciting videos for fun or profit? Click the link in the description to get started today. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Science Spark for more cosmic wonders. See you next time.